Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we are going to present our project that entitled Database of Bank. Next. Okay, this is table of contents of our projects. First, I will complete in arms who complete these projects for our team. Second, introduction about our database. And third, about the project, we will describe our table, scheme, and diagram. For the conclusion is our project. Next. So this is our team. First, Hendra Aditya. Second, Muhammad Farid Ali. And last, me, Siti Rayhannah. Next. So this is our first matrix. Introduction. Database is a collection of information stored on the computer systematically so that it can check using a computer program for obtaining information from the base data. Database is a collection of data that managed in such a way based on certain conditions that are interconnected so that it's easy to manage. Through this management, users can find it easier to find information, store information, and discard information. Another definition of database is a system that functions as a collection of files, tables, or archives that are connected and stored in various electronic media. Next, next, from our project, there is a bank database where this database contains data for banks, bank branch employees, customers, and transactions that are managed into one data. We need this data to make it easier to work on our bank and of course to provide the best service to customers at our bank. Therefore, we need a database to ensure that the data is stored perfectly and maintained properly. Next. And this is our project, our scheme, and our tables. We have, for the scheme, we have human resources. This we have human resources scheme to classify important data that must be present in the internal bank. And we have person resources scheme to classify important data that must be present in the external bank. And for the tables, we have bank tables for data bank, branch table for data branch for branch data, employee tables for employee data, customer table for customer data, accountables for account data, transaction table for transaction data. And for the next explainer will be explained by my partner, Hendra Aditya.
Okay, my name is Hendra Aditya. On this slide, I will explain about the content of my SQL we create and what is the database. The database that we create is a bank database which contains branch data, employee data, customer data, account data, and transaction data. The first is data bank. Here contains the name of data bank, the data type is varchar, the bank code is of the char data type, and the bank address is the data type. Second, there is branch data. This table contains the name of the branch with the data type varchar, then the bank and branch code of the same type, namely car, and the address of the branch with the data type varchar. Continue to bank employee data. Each table contains the employee's name with the varchar data type, then the bank and branch code with the chart data type, and finally the address of each employee with the varchar type. The fourth is customer data. This table contains name, ID card number, date of birth, gender, customer address, telephone number, account number, and type of customer. Divide that into five types of customer, namely gold, silver, platinum, special, and titanium. And the last of my discussion is customer account data. This table contains the first one is the account number with the chart data type. There is a pin with the chart data type and the account balance with the data money type. Thank you. The next Farid.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Farid Ali. I will continue the presentation about our project. There is a table of account. In the account table, there are three data. First, number no reckoning. Field name is a no reckoning. Data type is char with for this description to store customer account number. Second, pin. Field name this pin. Data type is char with two and description to save customer account pin number. And third, saldo. Field name is saldo. Data type is money. Description the total balance available in customer account. Next. In the table of transaction, there are five data. First, number of transaksi. Field name is number transaksi. Data type is varchar with 10. Description in the data to store transaction number when the customer make transaction. Two is no reckoning. Data type is char with 10 and description. Same as in the account table, its function is to store number customer account. And third is jenis nasabah. Field name jenis nasabah. Data type is varchar with 10. Description of this data. There is a type of customer. For tanggal, this data type is date. Description in the data for transaction date, and less is jumlah. Jumlah data type is money. Description for data, this is total balance taken by customer when making transaction. Next. And this is a diagram of our project. And the scheme, everything is interconnected. Okay, thank you. For conclusion, database a collection of information in the stored on the computer systematically so that it can check using a computer program for obtain information from basis data. Our project, there is a bank database where this database contain data for banks, bank branch, employees, customer, and transaction that are managed into one data. Okay, it's enough for me. Thank you for attention. And my elders, we have served be beneficial for all of us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.